I've made more videos about vacuums than I care to admit, but here we are. Yet again.
Vacuum everything. Your floor, your chair, your desk, your monitors, your wall, yourself.
Listen, I'll be honest, ECOVACS reached out about sponsoring a video for their new T30S OMNI Combo. And at first I thought, again, really? How different could this be from the last one? It's literally a vacuum. Does it suck? In the good way. Cool, that's all that matters. And then that's when they told me that there are actually 3 big differences with this model. Number 1, ZeroTangle anti-tangle technology. Jeez, I don't know, that sounds a bit redundant. Number 2, TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping. Oh yeah, this thing is great at edging. And finally, number 3, multi-surface cleaning, which is actually the reason I decided to say yes, but we'll talk more about that in a second. Of course, this vacuum also has 11,000 PA suction power. Oh yeah, let's both nod our heads like we know what the hell that's equivalent to. I imagine it's like being in the movie Twister. Plus, it has arguably the most important feature, dual self-empty, because they know how lazy we are. We paid for a vacuum that vacuums all by itself. So yeah, I also want the vacuum to empty itself as well. Sue me. Listen, we were promised flying cars by now, okay? So I think we at least deserve this.
I guess you guys aren't ready for that yet.
Anyways, let's rewind. Yep, that's my sound effect for that. Back to the ZeroTangle anti-tangle nonsense. Despite the confusing mouthful of a name, this is actually a nice addition. The vacuum now has a special V-shaped roller brush that stops hair from getting tangled. You know, like Rapunzel.
Please don't freak out.
Anyways, it straightens hair as it sucks it up into the dustbin thanks to a clever design with 2 combs and a powerful fan. And I am a fan of that because you ever look at that and it's just like hair all over your brush? Gross. I don't know. Ugh. As far as the TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping, let me explain an issue with these vacuums. The problem is that the mop is underneath and usually more towards the center, which, you know, it seems fine. But the issue with this is when the vacuum goes near corners or chair legs, the mop can't reach. So there are sections of your house that are just being missed completely. And newsflash, that defeats the entire purpose. This is the crazy part. As it works, there is a robotic arm that extends outward for full coverage. When avoiding obstacles, the mop plate flexibly expands and contracts to maintain coverage. So yeah, sorry for going all Bill Nye on you there, but this is actually like, this is how it should have been all along. And finally, my favorite feature, multi-surface cleaning. Listen, robot vacuums are great. My lazy ass loves to set it and forget it. You come home and bam, your house is clean. But how about when you have a quick mess, you want to clean up? You know, oops, spilled something. Yeah, I don't want to have to go into an app, set up a clean for a certain radius and blah, 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 blah. I want to pick up a vacuum and do it myself.
I'll do it myself.
Well, now you can, because this combo comes with a handheld vacuum. It utilizes the ZeroTangle technology and even self-empty. And with both of these options available, dust and dirt in your house better be shaking in its goddamn boots because their time is limited. And if you want to save some money, because you know it can get expensive, you don't have to get the T30S OMNI Combo that I have. You could actually just get the T30 OMNI, which is the same thing, minus the handheld vacuum. But like, handheld vacuum's so good.
I want this place looking like Disney on Ice in 1 minute.
Overall, this thing sucks. Yeah, of course, I'm gonna keep making that joke. It's actually really good, so that's a good thing that it sucks. Do yourself a favor and click the link in the description to learn more about the T30S OMNI Combo. And big thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video and allowing me to have fun with this review. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching Swashin on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed watching. If not, then fuck you. Please hit subscribe because my channel is dead. Jesus Christ, man, that's just really sad.